you can change your date of birth on your Facebook account. So this is something you should know, that the date of birth can be changed. So here we see the date of birth and we can change it. So what can be changed is something you should know, right? In this video, I will tell you how you can change your date of birth on your account. So you can definitely change your date of birth on your account. You should start listening to this basic guide carefully. You should take the first step in the process. You will see the details here. The path is set. July, August, and September are here, and this is the date that needs to be changed. I will confirm it now. So, after that, you can see the changes I made. So, the first step is to go to the settings where you can manage your information. So, click on the settings option, and then you can manage your settings related to privacy. In these settings, you can adjust your privacy preferences. So, click on the settings option, and you will see the options available. In the settings, click on the option you want to manage. First, you need to click on the option that appears. You can click on this option to proceed. You should click on this option. So, after clicking on that option, you will see the changes reflected here. Personal and details will be updated according to your preferences. Click on the option. I will let you know how to click on that option. You can see your updates on the Tillich platform. Now that the data is big, there is an assurance that everything is fine. So this is not a new number for your updates, but there is something that applies to you. Facebook has not yet updated how many notifications you have received. You should check your notifications. It should be the same for you. You must update your profile. You can do it from your screen. When you click on the page, you can see your dashboard here, and you can view your settings here. You have the option to edit your name. Just click on Edit. So when you click on Edit, you can update your information here. This is how you can manage your notifications. You can also provide your feedback. In this section, tasks will be listed, and you can update your information here. You can see how to update your details from your screen. So you can check here for more details. When you click here, you will see the new information here. I have provided the necessary details for you. Then I will click on the service here, and you can see the work done. You will see the service here. Then you can check the details. So please look at the company's profile to see how many updates have been made. Our seal is confirmed, and you can verify your details. As soon as you get the updates, it will show here. And when you provide the necessary details, you will receive notifications, and everything will be fine. Our confirmation is important. It is necessary for you to be aware of everything. So, in this way, you can update your details, and you can make necessary changes. So in the end, complete the videos that you want to like and comment on. So in the end, you will see the video suggestions based on your interests.